back to That Griller Guy. I'm Chris Shem, where everything is crafted over coals, guided by fire, and served with a pour of bourbon. Today I'm breaking down my brand new Prokan Santa Maria style grill. It is unlit, untouched by fire, so I can show you some of the engineering so you can get a feel for what kind of grill this is before fire even touches the box. Then I'll cut to some real cooks that I've done to really kind of show you what this grill can do in action and all the different features that will help guide your fire. All right, first thing we're going to check out is the firebox. So this front panel has a handle. You lift up on the handle, it works these hinges and allows it to come down. This gives you full access to the whole entire firebox. You can see we're lined with fire bricks on all of the front panel side. This reflects that heat back forward and up towards your food on the cooking surface. And here we have a brazier, heavy duty, metal, solid. You can start your logs, your charcoal, your fuel in here, let the embers fall down, and that's when you move the embers to the rest of the firebox, allowing you to have some control over the level of the heat that comes up. But that's not the only way that we control heat on this beautiful Santa Maria style grill. These removable, there's two of them in here, V-shaped grill grates allow you to funnel the grease away from those embers to avoid those fireball flare-ups that are going to cause extra char, uneven cooking, and allow you to have just another level of control of that fire. All right, of course, the signature feature of the Santa Maria grill is the crank, and that crank is your volume knob. Have the grill grates down low, well, that's for your direct, high heat, searing of a steak, finishing something off. That's where that's gonna live. You want something to cook a little bit slower, but still be able to get that flange? Well, you crank it up part way. Now, if you really want to slow things down, if you're reverse searing a larger cut that you want to just sit there, slowly bring it up to temp before that sear, you crank it all the way up and away from the flames. This is what helps give you that control of the temperature and time that you're going to be cooking something in. Very important for any Santa Maria grill or any live fire cook for that matter. Coming on over to the other side of the grill, you have your built-in table. This is where you can store sauces, seasonings, spray bottles, anything else you could be working with while you're cooking. There's a couple of hooks on the front for you to store your tongs and your favorite other tools, spatula or pigtail flipper, which I like to use with steak. Prokan Santa Maria grill comes with a cover, which is very important for me to keep out all the elements up here in Wisconsin, and two tools that are imperative to use your Santa Maria grill: your cold shovel and your fire poker. This means that you are ready to get cooking on day one. This is where everything starts, your brazier. This is where you're going to stack your fuel, whether it's wood, charcoal, or a combination of both. You're going to let them light up. These embers are going to cook down and fall to the firebox, and you use that shovel to spread it out and get cooking. Another signature element of the Santa Maria grill is the hanging bar. This allows you to take these nice S-hooks and hang anything you want above it. Protein if you want to cook a whole chicken, sausage to let it slowly smoke and render, vegetables, fruits, pineapples, all of this over one fire, multiple different temperatures, and you know what? It's all visible to you as you cook. Well, there you have it, guys. An inside look at the Prokan Santa Maria style grill. This isn't just a simple set it and forget it grill. It's much more than that. It's dynamic. It requires you to build a connection with the fire, with the cook itself, with the meat that you're making. So this grill is hands-on. It's my style of cooking. That's why I love cooking on it. So until next time, guys, it's Chris Shem with That Griller Guy saying keep those fires lit and those pours steady.